and miss me.
What's up guys, welcome to Real Gains. In this video I am going to show you my best breakfast to lose weight and how to prepare it. Watch this video till the end to know how to customize this breakfast for a keto diet and a very low carb diet. Also, an important tip to lose weight is at the end of this video, so make sure to watch it till the end. Who doesn't like an omelette for a morning breakfast? It's delicious, tummy filling, nutritious and infinitely customizable. Now imagine an omelette which can give you long-lasting energy, help you build muscles and also most importantly lose fat at the same time. This is everything you wanted from your food, right? This video will show you how to prepare that awesome omelette. Every ingredient responsible for energy, muscle building properties and for fat loss are explained clearly in this video. So make sure to watch it without skipping even a single second. Let us get into the ingredients first. 2 whole eggs, egg whites from 3 eggs, 1 small chopped onion, 1 small chopped tomato, medium-sized slices of bell peppers, 1 medium-sized green chili, 1 tablespoon of spice blend powder, curry powder, coriander powder, 1 small tablespoon of pepper and salt. These are for aroma, taste and to get that spicy flavor. Finally, the important ingredient, 1 scoop of oats. Now it's preparation time. Mix all the ingredients in a bowl and beat them well. If you have a blender, the job will be easy. Once the ingredients are mixed well, let the batter stay alone for 10 minutes. This time will allow the oats to soak well and also other ingredients to bind well. Now it's time to cook it. In a medium flame stove, place a non-stick pan. Add 1 or 2 drops of extra virgin oil. Coconut or olive oil is preferable. Now pour the batter and close it with a lid for even cooking at the bottom and top surfaces. After 5 to 7 minutes, open the lid to check the surface. The color change should be visible. At this time, I would like to sprinkle some more pepper. Just my personal choice. Also try to unstick the edges and check if the bottom is cooked. If the bottom is well cooked, the omelette should slide on the pan easily. After 10 to 12 minutes of cooking, it's now time to flip it. Let it alone for 3 minutes and check to see if the bottom surface has turned brownish yellow. That's the indication that the omelette is cooked. Turn off the stove and let it cook in the remaining heat for few minutes. It's now time to garnish. My personal choices are coriander leaves and some red chili flakes. You can add your own seasoning as well. This omelette contains about 28 grams of protein, 29 grams of carbohydrates, 15 grams of fat with a total calorie of around 390. Before showing you how I like to serve it, let me explain you all the health benefits of this omelette. Long-lasting and sustained energy is very important to kickstart your day in the morning and to be active throughout the day. Oats and healthy fats of the egg yolk serve this purpose. The muscle building property obviously comes from the protein content of the eggs. Eggs contain very high quality protein which your body can easily and efficiently absorb. Now comes the best part that you have been waiting for. The fat burners in this recipe. Capsaicin, a chemical compound present in green chili, bell peppers and red chili flakes, increases your metabolism, thereby burning more calories. It can also help suppress your appetite for the rest of the day. Piperin, present in black pepper, also speeds up metabolism and suppresses fat accumulation in the body. Generally, spicy foods can increase your body temperature, resulting in burning of more calories. Capsaicin and piperin are the most effective fat burners. The egg yolk is highly nutritious and filling. It can suppress your appetite for longer duration, thus making you eat less for the rest of the day. Researchers have shown that eating whole eggs for breakfast reduces calorie intake for the next 24 hours and cause up to 65% greater weight loss. Plus, it's also a high quality protein and fat source. Let me give you the quick tips. If you are on a keto diet, exclude the oats. If you are on a very low carb diet, take only half scoop of oats. This healthy breakfast is a great source of energy and strength with the added benefit of fat loss. But in order to lose weight, you need to put your body in a calorie deficit state. Without a calorie deficit, this breakfast won't be beneficial for fat loss. However, you can get energy to kickstart your day and build muscle with this meal. Also, don't overdo on the spicy vegetables. Adding too much of them doesn't mean you will lose more fat. Moderation is always the key. I recommend you to start little with the vegetables and see how your body reacts to it. Please try this recipe at your home and share your feedback in the comments below. For more diet ideas, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button to get notified whenever a video is posted. Please check out my other videos to lead a healthy life. Thanks a lot for watching the video.